Hello everybody, welcome to Andy's Beer Reviews. Welcome to Andy's Ale House. This is what we're looking at today. This is Big Wave. It's a golden ale. It's 4.4% from Kona Brewing Company. It's from Hawaii. Beautiful artwork on there. Picked this up in Marks and Spencer's, and I can't remember how much I paid. I think I probably paid just a couple of quid for it, that's all. Yeah, I really can't remember, sorry about that. But yeah, so if you're looking for this, I've seen this in a few other places, a few other bottle shops. It tends to be in bottles. This one from Marks, I don't know if it's exclusive for Marks, it's actually in cans. I would have thought so. Ooh. Poured fizzy for oops, I'm gonna lose some. It's poured quite fizzy that. Poured quite fizzy that for a golden ale. There you go. Yes, like I say, it's not. It normally you can only find this in bottles. I've seen it in a couple of bottle shops in bottles. Never seen it in a can before. Saw it in Marks and Spencer in a can, so I thought I'd grab myself one. Right, so that has poured with a slight haze, golden in colour. It's got a one finger bubbly white head, which looks like it might disappear quite quickly. And there's a little bit of slow moving carbonation in there, but not a great deal. Looks fine. Looks. I do love golden ales. That looks a little bit pale for a traditional golden ale that I might buy and drink from a local supermarket or local boozer. But yeah, not too bad. Let's see what it's like in the aroma, shall we? Oh, it's interesting. Oh, it's hoppier. Hoppier than I was expecting. It's quite fruity. It's all quite mild, but it's definitely fruity. There's some mango in there, there's some pineapple in there. There's a bit of passion fruit. Little floral note coming through as well. Get the hint of malt at the back end. Interesting. Traditionally, a golden ale, you'd be malty, sweet, biscuity or bready aromas, maybe a touch of citrus. This is quite packed full with those fruity aromas. So yeah, quite different. Quite different, but quite nice actually. Let's see what it's like to taste, shall we? Cheers, everybody. That's quite different again, actually, to what I'm used to as a golden ale. There is definitely that biscuity malt backbone to it, and that's applying a nice level of sweetness to it. That biscuity malt subsides, you end up with a little bit of nice sweet caramel. But again, like the aroma, the hops are coming through quite nicely. There's some nice mango flavours coming through. There's a nice citrus, lemony ting to it, tang, fizz to it. So yeah, so that lemony tang's coming through quite nice as well. There's quite a nice level of carbonation as well. And in the mouth, it actually holds in the mouth, feels in the mouth, a little bit like a lager. Good quality lager. But it's got that sort of sparkliness in the mouth. I didn't describe that good enough to do with sparkliness in the mouth. Champagne sparkling in the mouth but doesn't taste like lager. But it has got that lager. It does feel like a lager. It is a different golden ale to what traditionally I'm used to here in the UK. But yeah, like you'd expect, it's easy drinking. There's a really nice mild bitterness in there as well. Anything to read? Good morning, don't care what's in it. What's in it? Imported. Oh, we go. Barley. Can't read it, it's all shiny writing. Oh, it just says contains barley. Doesn't really say what's in it, what malts they've got in it, what hops they've used in it. Been drinking a few pilsners lately, and it's got that pilsner feel, and I just wonder if it was using a pilsner malt at all to get that. It does make it super refreshing, which is really nice. It's different, but it's nice. It is like a hybrid between a pilsner and a golden ale, but it's very nice. Score-wise for me for that, 7.5 out of 10. Big thumbs up if you like the video. I do daily beer reviews, so if you want to see daily beer reviews, please consider subscribing. I would like to have you along for the journey. Yeah, if you've had this before, let me know what you thought about it in the comments below. Cheers everybody.